This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust your screen sleep time in Debian Linux. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To adjust your screen sleep time in Debian, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go down to where you see the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. That will open the settings dialog box. And on the settings dialog box, the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to go down to where it says privacy and click on privacy. Then on the center pane, you can see right up here it says screen lock. Automatic locking the screen prevents others from accessing your computer while you're away. Has 4 different options for you. The first one is blank screen delay. That's how long before your screen will go to sleep. By default, it's probably set to 5 minutes, but you can click this drop down. You can change it to between 1 minute all the way down to never. If you click on never, your screen will not go to sleep. The next thing down is automatic screen lock. If you have this enabled, this next thing down here, automatic screen lock delay, the period of time which your screen goes blank when the screen is automatically locked, you click this drop down. You could set it to 30 seconds all the way down to 1 hour if you have it enabled. You can also turn off screen lock, and that disables both of these features. Then the bottom thing is lock screen notifications. You could toggle that on or off. But that is how to adjust your screen sleep time in Debian Linux. Thanks for watching.